Hello guys, welcome to all, and in this video we are going to see another important concept in whole of machine learning, that is random search CV. So before that, let me introduce you some of the key points here. So that is, about grid search, right? So grid search works good when we have small number of hyperparameters, as it tries with every combination of values we provided. So in the same way, random search is a better option when we have large number of hyperparameters and we only try with a subset of combination of hyperparameters randomly. So here we don't try with every number of combinations, but we pick a random subset of hyperparameter combinations and try with the fitting of data. So it will helps us to reduce the training time, but it comparatively work better with grid search. So with all these things, let's go and see some of the coding concepts now. Yeah. So before that, let me input all the necessary libraries to achieve this task. So first of all, I'm inputting NumPy and also Matplotlib and also pandas like model selection, like SKLM model selection for train test split. And for pre-processing, I'm using like standard scalar. And also for ensembling, we want to use like random forest classifier so that we can fit our data. And also some of the libraries like stats for random int, and also for model selection we are going to use like random search CV, and also for to get accuracy score from sklearn.metrics. Yeah, so now let's go and see like reading the CSV file now. So we have our custom CSV file like social networks ads.csv. Okay, so now we are going to do like getting all independent features in one cell and dependent variable in another cell. So here we get all this by achieving like data set.ilog, and also with columns like 2 and 3 within the x, and also like the target label like 4 in the void. So let me execute this statement. Like all these codes are executed already. Yeah. So now let's go and see like splitting the data set using train test split, and we are providing like x like independent features, dependent features, and also test size with 0.25 and random state. So we will get like x train, x test, y train, and y test. Okay. Now before doing any task in machine learning, it is always a good habit to do standard scalar so that it will not be biased towards any columns or features. So yeah, you can see that I am creating object of standard scalar. I am fitting with x train, and I only transforming for extend so that we don't have any data leakage problem, and storing in extend and extend as we are just processing the data here. So now let's go into the further task now. So I am first of all going to call like random forest classifier and creating object of it, and by using like all the different parameters which can be provided in random search random forest like max depth, n estimators, max features, criterion. These all are hyperparameters, and we are providing like bunch of parameters like which can be tuned so that we can get a good absolute results. Yeah, you can see that. Well, criteria we have Gini or entropy, normal entropy, and also n estimators like 10, 100, 200, 300, like these things. We have different. Yeah. So now we want to get a good hyperparameters that will help us to increase the accuracy. Yeah. So now let's go and fit the random search CV, and we are providing like the classifier we want to get like here, and also providing all the parameters which we want to tune like hyperparameters. Yeah, and also in jobs. So now let me fit with random search CV with our data set provided, and let gets all the best hyperparameters by using random search dot best underscore params. Yeah, so now we have seen right after fitting the data, we have got like best hyperparameters like bootstrap is equals to true, that is random subset of features or columns. Yeah, and we have criterion is equals to Gini impurity, and also max depth is equals to 3 and features and so on. So by using random search, we are getting the best hyperparameters so that we can get a good accuracy. Yeah, now let's go and see like with the all the new model with these best hyperparameters, like specifying like in respective places like n job is equals to -1, n estimator is equals to 100 as given above, and also like criterion g and everything like that. So again we are fitting the data set as like we have done above, and now we are going to predict for final classifier we have created just above, and we are getting our y predictions. So in the finally we are going to get accuracy scores. Yeah, so you can see that we have got a 0.68 accuracy. So yeah, so the main important task of random search CV will compare with grid search is it will reduce the time, and comparatively it works similar to grid search. Yeah, so one additional tip to you all. Yeah, if you want to know more about this random search CV, you can get refer to this official documentation so that you can get more knowledge. Yes guys, today you have learned a good concept in random search CV. If you don't understand, please go through this video once again. Yes guys, thanks for your time.